Hey guys, it's Brian from JRA Cycles here to talk about my new Trail 429. The Trail 429 is 120 mils of travel in the rear and 130 in the front. I have mine set up a little differently with a DPX rear shock and an MRP ribbon on the front. We have some awesome Industry 9 310 carbon wheels with custom spokes. Also, we have a Shimano Pro cockpit with enduro bars and a Thassis stem. Tires are the Martello tires from Vittoria, huge favorite of mine. Really excited about the Special 12 pedals by Time. The grips are the lizard skin custom JRA grips. Check out that Bel Air saddle from SDG. Matches beautifully with the rest of the bits. We go over to some Di2 action from Shimano. I'm a big fan of the Di2 stuff. It's always worked well for me. Cranks, we have the Next carbon cranks by Raceface, and also an elliptical chainring from Wolftooth. Bash guard from our friends from MRP. The dropper is a Fox Transfer with a Wolftooth lever. What else? Yeah, it's a great bike. I'm looking forward to riding it a bunch this summer. Thanks very much. Really digging that stuff. That sucks. You'll fix that. The phone's ringing. I want to do it with the phone ringing. That's it. That's it.